एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल एंड मैं आज आप लोग को बताने वाली हूँ एक बेसिक मेकअप किट जो चाहिए एवरी इंडियन गर्ल, एवरी इंडियन वुमेन को टू स्टार्ट अ यूट्यूब चैनल और फॉर योर डेली लुक और फॉर डेली ऑफिस वेयर or any subtle party wear, any look that you want to go with. So yes, let's get started. First we'll start with the face product. So guys, let's get started. जैसे मैंने बताया for the face products, बेसिक प्रोडक्ट्स ओके। मैं आज आपको मेकअप करके नहीं बताऊंगी, मेकअप बेसिक लुक जो रहेगा वो मैं बाद में इसके नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताऊंगी, बट मैं आज मेकअप करके नहीं बताऊंगी. So yes, let's get started with the basics. So this is a toner that helps you hydrate your skin, keep your skin clean and neat and everything. ये आप मेकअप के पहले भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, ये एज अ स्किन केयर भी यूज़ कर सकते हो व्हेन यू गो टू स्लीप. दिस इज़ अ टोनर. देन कम्स एलोवेरा जेल. एलोवेरा जेल किसको नहीं पता है गाइस? एलोवेरा जेल इज़ अ मस्ट थिंग इन every makeup kit you're using. So yes, this is the aloe vera gel. This is gulab water. आप यूज़ कर सकते हो, नहीं कर सकते हो, दैट इज़ योर पर्सनल चॉइस, बट आई यूज़ इट एट नाइट to just after washing my face and apply it. That's it, nothing else on it. So yeah, these are the basic products of face. Then comes these things. ये क्या है आप लोगों को पता ही होगा, ऑब्वियसली पता ही रहेगा. दिस आर सनस्क्रीन. सो आई हैव दीज 3 कंपनी का. दिस इज लैक्टोकैलामाइन का सनस्क्रीन which is used. This is Lotus का sunscreen. This is the new one that I have taken. It is Foxtail का sunscreen. Foxtail का I have heard a very much review about it. So it is a very good sunscreen. इसका कोई white stain नहीं होता है, ये white pigmentation नहीं छोड़ता है and everything. ये दोनों भी है. और Lotus का एक और आता है, that is the gel one. You all can use that also. जिसको और लगता है स्किन पे वाइट स्कार्स छोड़ रहे हैं, तो यू कैन यूज़ द जेल मैट ऑल्सो. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. सॉरी. सो देन नेक्स्ट कम्स योर प्राइमर. आई यूज़ दिस फ्लॉलेस ब्लू हेवन का प्राइमर. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई फॉर इनसाइड का प्राइमर. इनसाइड का प्राइमर बहुत अच्छा होता है, पोर्स में सेटल होता है, मैंने ये सुना है. सो येस, आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई दैट नाउ. सो येस, आफ्टर दैट कम्स योर foundation. Guys, I have 1 Lakme का foundation, 2 Bobbi Brown का foundation, 3 Blue Heaven का foundation, then this 2 is Fit Me का 2 different shade foundation, that is 330 and 128. because मेरा shade जो है ना, it is not even a wheatish and not even light. So the thing is, मेरे को दोनों 2-3 मिक्स करके लगाना पड़ता है यार. मैं बताऊँगी मेकअप जब भी करूँगी, एक पूरा बताऊँगी, बट दिस आर द 5 फाउंडेशंस दैट आई यूज़ ऑल टुगेदर. सो येस, एंड देन कम्स योर BB cream, BB, BC, whatever cream you all want to use. So I use this Lakme का 925 BB cream. CC cream I use actually. It is a beige combination. Beige है, but I don't use it for the daily makeup. I use it only when I'm going for weddings or any functions. Okay. Then comes concealer. So I have this Maybelline का, and this is also Maybelline का. Guys, ये वाला ना थोड़ा सा ब्रशी वाला है. So I'll just show you the shade of your. So here it is, concealer. This I have not used much because ये मैं बहुत functions में ही use करती हूँ. So yes. So the pigmentation, so good. So yeah, then comes our setting powder, or if you all are using a compact or anything. I use this white tone. It helps me. I use it as a loose powder. Yes. Then comes my color collector. So yeah, it is concealer palette of Insight. I use mostly orange because I have a dark tone, so orange suits me more. Yes. Then comes the main things, the blush. These are my favorite blush. So this is from inside, this is from Lakme. Lakme ka which perfect plum, and this is the cranberry one. So मैं आप लोगों को मेकअप करके बताऊंगी, अभी तो मैं दिखाऊंगी नहीं कैसा है, but these two have high pigmentation, very high pigmentation, and I love the shades. So guys, these were the products that you use on the base products and give a fresh look, or your, sorry मेरे को message आया, okay, clean look for your everyday filming, everyday office, everyday party, whoever likes. I use this cream at night, Vico turmeric. It helps you glow. Yeah, duh. So now comes my second thing of the makeup, and my favorite part of the makeup is the eyes. Being a Bengali, I love to enhance my eyes, I love to highlight my eyes, I love to prep my eyes. So yeah, so let's start with the eyeshadows that I have. I don't have much, but yeah, I do have 2 or 3 palettes. So this is a palette from Maybelline. It's a nude palette, if you all can see the colors. It's a nude palette, and they have high pigmentation, if you all can see. Okay, so this is a nude palette from Maybelline which I use, but not an office look, but yeah, I do use it sometimes. Then this is the second that I have a palette of eye is from Blue Heaven. Warm colors. These, I don't use this color much. These 3 are my on to go colors. So yeah, then this is the third color that I have. These are shimmers, if you all can, but the pigmentation, guys, I'll just show you one. See, one line mein, if you all can see, very 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 good. This is from Lustre, Swiss Beauty ka. I have one more of Swiss Beauty. This is a pink shade ka. I love pink shade. Being a girl, I love a pink shade. So yes, this is the pink shade ka. I have used it thoda, but yeah, I'll do all the makeup one look, and I'll give you all guys. But please like, subscribe, and share my videos for that. Now comes, as I'm done with the eyelids, that's the eyeshadows, now comes the best part, that is the eyeliner. So I have this Blue Heaven ka one eyeliner, I have Lakme ka one eyeliner, I have Lakme ka old bottles that used to be there, these 2 eyeliners. Then I have these eyebrow pencils, eyebrows definer, whatever you all girls say. I don't do much makeup, so yeah, so वो मैं सिर्फ शादी में use करती, that's it. Then this is my kajol, which is much required when you're going for an Indian wedding or when you're wearing a Indian traditional cloth. Yes, kajol is very important. So now comes the best part of the makeup of eye, is the eyelashes. So yeah, this is my mascara. Here it goes. I love defining my eyes. I said, as being a Bengali, I love it. So guys, whoever watching this video, these were my eye products which give more definition to your eyes, for your cameras, for your daily, who love their eyes. Yes. Now comes the best part of my makeup, the best thing I love, lips. So I'll show you all the lip products I have. So here comes my lipstick का भंडार. I have so many lipstick, but मैं आधे से ज़्यादा अप्लाई करती ही नहीं हूँ, because मुझे शेड्स पसंद आते हैं, मैं लेके रख देती हूँ और मेरे पे वो सूट ही नहीं करते. But now I have see this color, obviously this won't suit me, so now I have decided what to do. You know, I've seen see these two I can merge and use two I can merge and use. So now recently I have bought these from N Beauty, if you all can see the name. These are very pigmented and hydrated. This keeps your lips hydrated. I have Reneca one, which is my all-time favorite. I'll just show you that shade. Yes, it's a warm color. I love this shade, and Rene being a very good नाइस शेड राइट. सो दिस इज़ माई ऑल टाइम फेवरेट. ये मेरे हर बैग में रहता है. मैं घर से बाहर निकल रही हूँ, उस बैग में ये शेड रहता ही है. एंड देर इज़ वन मोर शुगर का आई हैव, विच इज़ माई फेवरेट शेड, बट आई हैव टू ब्लेंड दिस बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ वेरी डार्क शेड दैट आई हैव. सो सी दिस. So yeah, I blend it with a lighter shade and then it looks more nice. I can wear it like this also, but I blend it. Mostly I blend all my lipstick except this Reneca. So yes. So yes, this was for my lips. Yes, I use lip balm also sometimes. I have Biotica also. So now let's get to the last part of the makeup, that is the makeup removing. So most importantly, girls, when we are applying makeup, I do know that आप स्किन केयर करते हो, प्राइमर लगाते हो, बट पूरा दिन जब वो मेकअप सेट हो रहा है, इफ़ यू आर वर्किंग फॉर अ 9-hour शिफ्ट, यू आर अप्लाइंग द मेकअप बिफोर एन आवर, सो इट इज़ स्टेइंग ऑन योर स्किन फॉर एटलीस्ट 10 to 11 hours. So preparing your skin for taking that inside is very important. So I would just request you all, if you all applying a makeup, before that please clean your face, and after that if you're coming home please clean your face, because वो निकल जाना चाहिए. बाहर की धूल मिट्टी भी बैठती है उस मेकअप के साथ, तो वो सब भी निकालना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. एंड येस, स्किन को ग्लो करना है, मेकअप तो है ही, बट द नेचुरल मेकअप ऑफ स्किन ग्लोइंग इज दिस वाटर. Please drink a lot of water. At least 2 to 3 liters of water will help you keep your immune good, will help you keep your skin glowing naturally. जितना ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, जो भले मैं नहीं खाती, मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, बट आई सजेस्ट प्लीज ईट ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स. दैट रियली हेल्प्स ग्लो योर स्किन. So yes, that was for today. There are some tools you all require for makeup, that is a sponge for blending eyeshadows के लिए. If you are having so much makeup, obviously you all will have the makeup tools also. So yeah, I do not need to say that to you, but keep your makeup organized so that you do not have to rush and forget something important. Yeah, that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Next video I'm planning for a basic makeup look, or y'all tell me in the comments what y'all want in the next video, but my major focus is the basic makeup look that every girl can do for a office 9-hour shift. Yes, bye guys, take care, have a nice day.